What's up, y'all? It's your boy Red coming to you guys with another banger video. Today we're gonna be pranking Wifey. We just got done eating, so I think it's the perfect time to pull this prank off. I had just bought us some wet fart spray. Yeah. This shit stink. Y'all smell it. Yeah, so we gonna be acting like we using the washroom. We gonna spray this a couple times. We gonna see how she gonna react and see, do she really love me or not? If she love me, she gonna come in here and take care of me. If she don't, she ain't gonna care. She gonna run away, you know? I'm gonna be really fucked up, so I'm gonna need her to take care of me. And if she don't come in here, she don't really love me. Okay, y'all? So comment down below what y'all think. Do she love me? Do she love me not? We gonna see. Huh? Babe, you talking to me? Can you bring some tissue? You heard me? Open the door.
Huh?
Come here.
Hell no. Your stomach fucked.
Oh,
Oh my god. Bro, I never seen nothing smell like that. That shit out there.
Why you only bring one?
I got some other one I put them in with.
You could have put up the whole thing.
Okay.
Bring them to me.
Close the door.
Bring them to me.
Hey, Mark, doodle, please.
Why you got the whole bag?
Hey, I'm washing the dishes. I ain't just gonna fix right now.
Could have pulled some out.
Dude, I will fill it up later. Why did you wash the door?
I'm just asking you.
Okay.
Damn. It's so damn rude. Huh? Babe.
What?
Huh?
Just throw it out.
Get it.
No, bro. What's wrong with you?
Why?
Your ass stink. Close the door.
I need you.
You're like dog shit.
Oh, shit.
Close the door.
Huh?
That shit stinks.
What?
Bro, you stink.
So you trying to say I stink?
You smell like dog shit.
Huh? Get this thing.
Oh my god. No, close the door. I'm gonna pee on myself. You stink.
Boy,
Stop playing.
don't do too much. Don't do too much.
You stink.
You doing too much.
Bro, please close the door. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'm like Cameron.
Come here.
No. Get up.
Come here. I need you.
Get the fucking air freshener, bro.
Bring me that freshener. Bring it to me.
No, I don't want to go by you.
Come here.
Dude, that shit smell like Cameron. You know, Cameron, you can smell it very good.
Babe,
What?
I need you. Come here.
No, please, you really stink.
I need you. Come here.
Yeah, it's not like, what? Cameron, yo, you smell it? Yeah, that's
That's steak, G.
Where the camera at? What the fuck is that? You bogus. Get that shit stink. I should know like you fucking get on clothes.
Huh?
That shit stinks bad as hell. Why would you do that?
That ain't that bad.
That shit smells like Cameron. That's why I never smell no shit like this from you, bro. You bogus as hell.
Of course, Cameron always ruin every fucking thing.
I was thinking it, but Cameron confirmed it. Cause bro, you won't.
Come here. Come here.
You use that far shit, right?
What?
Use that far shit, don't even smell like shit.
That shit.
No, that's in you spray that shit.
That shit what?
What?
What does it smell like?
Shit.
Let me see you.
No, you spray that shit around the place.
This is so high it smell, man.
You bogus shit. That shit smell like dog shit. That shit smell like dog, bro. I swear to God.
Hell no. So how was it, babe?
Gee, that shit bogus as
Bro, when I was smelling it through the bottle, I'm like, God damn!
I would have fucking died. I couldn't have sat in that bathroom, bro.
I had to hold it in, boy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was a prank. It was.
Fuck
I was
shit.
in mode. I had to.
That's that. That shit
I
bogus.
need it for future references.
He said, what the fuck is that, fart? He said, yo, nah, dude, that shit stink bad as hell, bro. I'm like,
You want
wait.
to come in there and take care of me?
Hell no, you gotta die. You got to die, G. You
This
finna
through
die.
sickness and health.
That shit smell like dog shit.
You supposed to be there for
It
me.
just smell like dried up dog shit.
I would have came to your rescue.
I would have died in there.
Damn. You hear that, YouTube? She would have left me and died. She wouldn't have came and helped me.
If only y'all could smell that smell. Divorce. See, that shit bogus.
No.
Whoa.
You stuck with me forever.
Not smelling something like that again.
I smelled you like that before. That's what I did.
I smell like peaches and roses.
Yeah, it does.
Whoa, whoa.
Booty ass. Thank booty.
That shit stink.
I know that's good.
Did you go get an air freshener?
Yes.
Why you get an air freshener?
They stink, bro. So I just boo spray that.
My boo-boo spray.
Yeah.
You like that you
That's
ruined,
enough.
You like that you ruined my prank? Huh? You want to tell YouTube why you ruined the prank?
Don't do that.
Stop, boy.
You
Huh?
stink.
You want to tell YouTube why you ruined the prank?
Yeah, cause you ugly and you be rude.
So you want to tell YouTube why you ain't gonna be in no more pranks? Cause you suck. That boy, little kids tell everything.
Let me see. I want to see.
Okay, if you guys like the video, make sure y'all give the video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and we gonna see you guys later. Bye. I done been through hell and shit that I can't feel no more. Did a lot of shit that no one ever gotta know. Ain't worry who gon' tell I did that shit all on my own. You better watch out for that back door, cause you never know.